Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to use AI.table in Excel. AI.table function in Excel is a tool that allows users to create table based upon the text prompt. Let's see how to use this. Start typing equal to AI.table, open bracket, select the question, close the bracket, click on enter. You can add currency to this question. Here you can see the currency details are added. These tables are very dynamic based upon the question. And coming to the second question, let's see, generate a random list of 5 electronics. Here, start typing equal to AI.table, open bracket and select the question, comma, select the headers, close the bracket, click on enter. Here you can see it given the name of the product and it prices randomly. This is the way to use AI.table in Excel. If you like the video, please click on thumbs up and subscribe to watch the AI series in Excel. Thank you.